Children, today in EVS subject lesson 17 pearly teeth healthy body we will learn about teeth means how to take care of the teeth and also about keeping our body clean. We had all gathered to play in the evening. Subhash had not come. He had gone with his grandpa to the dentist. 3 months ago, Grandpa's teeth had all been removed. He was to get his dentures today. Monica Tai told us such dentures look like real teeth but they are artificial. Means they are not real. Listening this, Ahmad, who is in the first standard, asked, why new dentures? My elder brother's teeth had fallen, but then they all grew again. Won't Subhash's grandpa get new one like him? That made everyone laugh. Monica Tai explained to Ahmed, the teeth that we get when we are babies are called milk teeth. They start falling when we are 7 or 8 years old. After that, we get new teeth once again. These are called permanent teeth. When these teeth fall, we don't get any new ones. Balu wondered. So, what if we don't get new teeth again? Why should we get false ones? Monica Tai said, Balu, you are in the third standard, aren't you? Several of your classmates must have lost their teeth. You have also lost some. Don't you have trouble eating and talking? Then Balu remembered. Oh, yes, you are right. I love guavas, but now I can't eat them. Hearing this, Mary teased him, and you know, Balu can't say shh either. His front teeth are missing. When he tries, it sounds like a whistle. Everyone laughed. Now you know why it is so important to look after permanent teeth, said Monica Tai wisely. Just then, Subhash and his grandpa returned. Grandpa smiled at us. His new dentures were shining bright. Children, many people lose their teeth when they grow old, but some people lose their permanent teeth quite early. So, taking care of our teeth is very important. Now, let's see how to take care of our teeth. Children, remember, after eating something, we should wash our mouth, scrub our teeth inside and outside with the finger. We should swill plenty of water in our mouth and rinse it well 4 or 5 times. Okay. If we do not do that, particles of food remain in the mouth. They stick to our teeth and tongue. They get stuck in between the teeth. And do you know what happens if they remain there? The teeth begin to rot. Then we get bad breath. That is, the mouth smells bad. And also the gums gets affected. Because of the rotting particles in the mouth, our teeth decay. Slowly, the teeth become loose and in the end they fall. So, we must avoid this. For that, what we have to do? We must brush our teeth in the morning and before going to bed at night. We must also clean our gums and tongue. Children, you might have seen people using neem or bubble sticks to clean teeth, and some use tooth powder. Many people use a toothbrush and toothpaste. But children, neem and bubble sticks or homemade tooth powders do not clean well from the gaps between our teeth. Also, tooth powder can be rough while the neem or bubble sticks are hard. They can injure our gums. Using a brush and toothpaste, we can easily clean the gaps between the teeth properly. toothpaste forms the foam and it helps the particles to get washed away which are stuck between the teeth. Children, sometimes we get scratches or a wound, and when that bleeds, people apply wet mud to the injury, but it is wrong to do so. It infects the cut or wound, which may start oozing pus. So remember, if we get scratches or a wound, we must visit the doctor and we must apply ointment on it. Okay. Now, children, along with taking care of our teeth, we must also take care of our body. Means we must keep our body clean. Remember, it is for us to keep our body clean. If we eat with unclean hands, the dirt on the hands goes into our stomach. We can get the stomach upset, or you can say we can get stomach pain. So, we must not forget to wash our hands before we begin to eat. Just as it is necessary to keep our teeth clean, it is important to keep our hair and nails clean too. We must also keep our sensory organs clean. We must bath every day. We must wash our hair at least once a week. If we don't keep ourselves clean, what may happen? We may contract different diseases. And nowadays, we have to take extra care of ourselves. Okay, children, now let's see who are the really smart ones. Everyone brushes their teeth in the morning, but the smartest people, do you know what they do? They brush their teeth before they go to bed every single night. Everyone washes their hands after the meal. And the smartest is the one who wash their hands without fail before a meal too. Now children, let's revise what we have learnt today. The teeth that grow when we are babies are called milk teeth. They fall at the age of 7 or 8. When these milk teeth fall, a new set of teeth grow. They are called permanent teeth. Once the permanent teeth fall, we don't get new teeth in their place. So, we should take care of our teeth. If the teeth are dirty, the dirt enters our stomach, which may cause stomach problems. Our hands become dirty while playing or working. The same dirt enters our stomach while eating, and this damages our stomach. Therefore, we must wash our hands before eating. Hair, nails, and sensory organs should always be kept clean. Children, I hope through this lesson you might have understood why taking care of our teeth and keeping our body clean is important. Thank you.